Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about nouns, gender. What is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Let us understand with example. If I write mother, from the word we can identify we are talking about female person. And when I write father, from the word we can identify we are talking about male person, that is known as gender. In gender there are four types: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Let us see all the genders one by one. The first one is masculine gender. It denotes the name of male persons or animals. All the words related to male persons or animals is known as masculine gender. Example: boy, king, cock. The next one is feminine gender. It denotes the name of female persons or animals. All nouns related to female persons or animal is feminine gender. Example: girl, hen, grandma. How to remember masculine and feminine gender? If you see the word masculine, the first two alphabet is having the spelling of male, M-A. And for feminine gender is having the first three alphabets of female, that is F-E-M. The next one is common gender. It denotes either male or female persons or animals. There are some words which is common and it denotes both male and female. Example: parents. When I say parents, parents can be male or female person. Again same thing with doctor and bird. The fourth type of gender is neuter gender. It denotes places and things. All non-living things are neuter gender. What is non-living things? Which do not have life. Example: boat, house and table. The next is formation of the feminine of nouns. That means how to change the masculine gender into feminine gender. Here we have to follow some rules to change the masculine into feminine by adding ESS. The first rule is by adding ESS to the masculine gender. What happens? Lion is masculine gender. Just we will add ESS and we change the lion into lioness. Prince will change into princess, just adding ESS. The second rule: change the spelling and add ESS. Duke. In Duke, we have changed some spelling and then we have added ESS. Duke will change into Duchess. Master will change into mistress. Rule number 3. Remove the vowel and add ess. Actor. In actor, which is the vowel word? O. We have to remove the vowel and add ess, and actor will change into actress. See, the same thing, emperor will change into empress. Vowel word is removed. The next rule is use different words before or after the masculine or feminine form. He goat, she goat. Landlord, landlady. Here, before goat we have added masculine and feminine form, and landlord we have added after the word land. The next one is use an entirely different word. Brother will change into sister. Bull will change into cow. When a noun changes from the masculine gender to feminine gender in a sentence, the pronouns must also change. The king went into the palace. He ate his breakfast. When we change the masculine into feminine, the king will change into queen. The queen went into the palace. So here the next line we can't write he, because he refers to male. When queen comes, the pronouns he will change into she, his will change into her. The queen went into the palace. She ate her breakfast. His uncle is a hero. He always plays his part well. Uncle is masculine. To change into feminine, his uncle is changed into her, and is a hero is changed into heroine. He, she always plays her part well. So whenever we change masculine into feminine, even the pronouns will get changed. Thank you and have a good day.